What happened to it?
Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Damian. This is my brother Deion. And today we are going to be playing with Skee Gumball Machine.
Alright, so we got this Skee Ball Gumball Machine from Toys R Us. I had seen it before, but I never got it. And then when I wanted to get it, they were sold out. But not today. We went today. I saw it there. So I got it right away.
Yeah.
You know why?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you were excited in it.
Because we all like gum.
Gum. Yeah.
So we like to play games to win gum. So we're gonna try the Skee Ball Gumball Machine. The last time we did the pinball gumball machine. This time we're doing the Skee Ball. So we're gonna open up this game, get it all set up, and have some fun winning some gum.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Yeah. We was gonna put bubbles.
Let's get to it.
Let's get bubbles in your face.
In your face, bubble face.
In your face.
This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
So we're gonna play 10 rounds.
Yeah.
Damian against Deion. And each player gets one shot. So the way it works is you have this little lever on the side right here. See that? And you twist it. And you're supposed to push the ball up. And then that'll put the Skee Ball in there. And then on the side it's got a little thing to adjust the height of the ramp. And then you can shoot it, and you can shoot it how high you want.
Yeah.
And then if you make it in any of them, you get a gum.
Yeah.
Okay? So it doesn't matter which hole you make it in. You have 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 70 and 80 on the corners. Whichever one you make, you get a gum. But we're going to keep score. We have our scorecard right here. It came with it here. So each player, we're going to put the score, whichever points they get. And if they don't make it the first time, they get zeros. And then after 10 rounds, we're going to see who wins and who ends up with the most gum in their mouth.
It's going to be me.
Alright, so let me write the names here.
Win.
David's going first. He's player 1.
I want to win. I want to win. I want to win.
Deion is player 2.
I want to win. I want to win.
Alright, Damian, are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Go ahead and get your first ball ready. Alright, you want to adjust the height up or down? Whenever you're ready. And you got 0. Deion, your turn.
Okay.
Oh, you got 70. You got 70 points. Alright, first round is over. 70 to 0. Damian, you're up. 10. Why did you get a gum? Let's see where it comes out of. On the side. Okay. There you go. Alright. Oh my god! You got 70 again! And another gum! You're so lucky. Damian, you're up.
I'm so bad at this.
10. 10.
He has 150 so far, I think.
Alright, Damian, last round.
If I make this, I'm so bad at this.
I know what I'm saying. You have no chance of winning. Last round. Nothing! Yeah, this is your last chance to make another one and get another gum, and you got another 10.
Again.
Alright, here is the score. 70, 70, 140, 150, 60, 190, 200, 220. So Deion is the winner. How much gum you have in your mouth?
Like 14.
Let me see. Oh my god, that is a lot of gum, dude. Oh, you drooled all over the place. That's gross.
Big giant gum.
I know, that's disgusting.
Green. Let's go one more round.
Alright, we're gonna do one more round, but we gotta get more gum.
I mean, one more of this.
Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna play another round, another 10 rounds. But this time, if you score the 10, you get the points, but you don't get the gum. We have to put the gum back. You have to score either 20, 30, 40, 70, or 80 to get a gum.
Wait, if you make it in, you still get 10?
You still get the points, but you can't get the gum.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, this time because Deion won the last game, it is Deion going first. Deion, whenever you're ready, dude. Oh, you scored 30!
No, I have to put it back?
No, you get that one.
Yes. Hey, no. Huh?
How many was it?
1.
Yeah, he gets 30. As long as you get 10.
I forgot. I thought it was a 10.
Alright, Damian, you're up. Nothing!
I was going to put an army up.
10?
It's a tie. It's a tie still.
It is not a tie. Well, he's got 30, 40, 50, 60, and you have 50.
What?
So he's still up 10. You got one more chance, Damian. Unless he doesn't make anything, you got one more chance.
Yeah! Come on. Oh no!
Here we go. This is your last chance. If you get a 10, you tie. If you get anything higher than that, you win. Hold on, it's not in there. Okay, now it is. Oh, you tied it! Alright, we're gonna have to go sudden death. You're each gonna take a turn.
Dad.
Whoever scores first wins.
Dad.
Alright?
Dad.
What?
Wait, when those made it, with the lizard and don't made it. What? With the lizard don't made it, eat pickle. What?
So if the loser, if whoever loses has to eat a pickle?
Yeah. Oh no! No.
Okay.
No.
No. That was your idea. No, so if you lose, you have to eat a pickle. That's it. Nope, that's it. You said it. It was your idea.
Okay.
Here we go.
Please miss. Please
Ready?
miss.
Go.
Yeah!
Hold on. No.
Wait.
If Damian misses, you get to go again.
I need a pickle.
Damian won, so Deion has to bite a pickle. Deion has to bite the pickle. Damian, go get the pickles. Do we still have pickles?
Yeah.
Alright, go get it. Alright, so just so you know, this was not my idea. This was Deion's idea that the loser has to bite a pickle. And I don't know why he said that because he hates pickles. So, we have a jar of pickles. Move this over that way. Hold on. Get out of here. Alright.
Not a big one.
Somebody won. No, go ahead. You pick one out.
He's like,
Just pick one out. You're going to bite it.
oh, that's nice and
All right.
juicy.
Put it over the napkin there. Big ol' bite, and you have to eat it. Got it? Big ol' bite. Bigger bite. Bite it. You got it. Oh, that's delicious. Chomp it.
Chomp it.
Chomp it. Chomp it. Chomp it. Come on, eat it. Mmm.
good idea. Oh.
This is all your idea. We're just doing what you said because you wanted. You said whoever loses has to eat a pickle.
You swallowed it. Did you swallow it?
No.
I could eat it.
This time, whoever scores the 40 right here is the winner. And whoever loses, once again, this was Deion's idea,
Jalapeno.
has to bite a jalapeno. Here it is. Nice
This is
green
all my
jalapeno.
This is all my fault.
This is all your fault. Alright. So we're going to keep going. Everybody's going to take turns. So you're going to keep playing until somebody makes the 40. Got it? Alright. Let's set it up.
I want to win right now.
Alright, so this is what we're going to do. Since it's taking too long, we're going to change it up. Whoever makes it in these top 3 first wins. Got it? So it's got to be 70, 40, or 80.
I win because I already got
Alright, go.
What should I make? That No! Not again!
Okay, you know what? Since he made it first, I'm going to give you one chance to try to make it. Go.
Thank you.
You got one chance. Get the ball out first. One chance. Somebody has to fight the jalapeno.
Somebody has to eat the jalapeno.
Are you ready, Deion? All right, Deion. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the jalapeno. You gotta bite down on it
So
hard, but
fat.
it's like hard like the pickle.
What?
You gotta bite
It
hard,
looks like a pickle, but
and you have to start
looks
eating
like a
it.
cucumber.
And since Damian wants to join you because he feels bad for you, you're gonna pass it to him, and he's gonna take a big old bite too.
I'm gonna take it.
Remember, guys, for those of you watching, thinking that I'm torturing my kids, whose idea was this, Damian?
Deion's.
This was Deion's idea. So here we go.
Deion, why do you do these things? I win and I make.
Here you go, buddy.
Come on, get it.
No, bigger than that.
Not even.
Okay, bite a small piece, but bite it hard. No, let me see.
It's super hard.
Bite it.
That's so tiny.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Eat it. It's not bad. Damian, why are you biting it like that?
Ah!
Eat it from the front.
Why?
Why are you biting it from the side?
I wanted to bite it in the middle.
Bite a big old chunk of it. You guys aren't even getting the spiciness out of it. Come on, eat it.
Oh, you said the pepper has a weird flavor.
Damian wants to feel the spiciness of a jalapeno.
I got the seeds.
What are you doing? You're just getting the seeds? I told you, bite into it.
I don't
That's
want
what's
to.
gonna make it spicy.
Got their seeds.
The seeds you just hit. Alright, Deion, bite the middle of it.
I licked it again.
Bite
Yeah.
it, don't lick it.
Oh!
What? Nope. Stay here. Take it like a man. Eat one of the seeds.
Right away when you eat it.
Yeah.
Me one?
Yeah.
Okay, mine went away
Put it in
already.
your mouth.
Mine went away so
You didn't miss it. It's on the floor, on the table, I mean. You didn't even get it. What happened to it? Bite it again, Damian. What's going on, Deion?
I'm so scared. I want to drink.
Oh, you're good, man. You're a tough kid. You didn't even bite it. You're just licking it and putting it in your mouth, but you know.
Yeah.
All right.
I got a piece. Oh! Oh, yeah! I'm gonna have drink. Thank you for watching. This was Skee Ball Gumball Machine. Be sure to subscribe, comment, follow us on Instagram.
All right, so like I said, we found this game at Toys R Us. The game was pretty fun. Like anytime you score, you get a gum. We made it a little competitive. Deion decided he wanted to eat a pickle if he lost. He ended up losing, ate the pickle. Next, he said, well, somebody bite a jalapeno if you lose. He ended up losing again, and he had to bite the jalapeno. And now Deion says, no more gross stuff. But we're done. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time.
Bye! Click here to watch our last video. Click here to subscribe.
Make sure you click on those buttons if you haven't already done so. Check out our last videos and subscribe.
To Dion's Playtime.
And Dion's Playtime.
And David Motion.
Bye.